Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Boss Maths. Don't forget you can also find us on X, and as always don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Today's lesson is going to be on simplifying algebraic fractions involving factorizing. So the different types of factorizing, you can find in all the videos. You have the simple basic factorizing, then you have the factorizing involving x squared where it produces two brackets, then you have the factorizing again involving two brackets, but you have a number in front of the x squared, a coefficient, for example 2x squared, 3x squared, something x and a number. So we'll include all of these in the questions today. As always, you can recap on the other videos on factorizing if you're still struggling with them. So let's have a look at a question. Here we go. (20x squared plus 21x plus 4 all over 16x squared minus 1. So the first thing we need to do here, we need to factorize the top and factorize the bottom. So we'll start by doing our full working out and factorizing the top. So to draw a line here, 20x squared plus 21x plus 4. If we multiply the two numbers together, 20 times 4 is 80, and we start writing down the factors of 80. We have 1 times 80, 2 times 40, 4 times 20, 5 times 16, 8 times 10. Which one of these makes plus 21? The only one we can see here is 5 and 16. We can cross out the rest. Change this line to 20x squared plus 5x plus 16x plus 4. Put a split in here. Factorize this side. 5x bracket 4x add 1. Add the 4x add 1 on this side. What's the missing number to make 16x add 4? It has to be plus 4. The two bracket answers are 5x add 4 and 4x add 1. Import these two brackets back to the top. 5x add 4 and 4x add 1. Now we need to factorize the bottom. The bottom can be factorized. This is just the difference of two squares. Square numbers being 16 and 1. So the two bracket answers here are 4x minus 1 and 4x add 1. Simplify using simplifying algebraic expressions. So we have 4x add 1 and 4x add 1. So our final answer is 5x add 4, 5x add 4 over 4x minus 1. And there's the answer to the question with the full working out. Try these questions coming up on this screen here. You can have a go at these and then I'll go over them for you to see what answers you get for these. First one. X squared minus 1 over x squared at x. Number 2, 5x squared minus 13x add 6 over x squared minus 9. Number 3, 3x squared add 7x add 4 all over x squared, add 3x, add 2. Again, you can pause the video, have a go at these questions, and then I'll go over them for you to see what answer you got for these. Okay, let's have a look at it. The top becomes x minus 1, x add 1, difference 2 squares. The bottom just becomes x bracket x add 1. These two simplify. Your answer is x minus 1 over x. Number 2, when you factorize the top, we have 5x and x. And looking at these two just here, we can see it's going to be minus 3 and minus 2 after we do our working out. And on the bottom, we have x minus 3 and x add 3. And we don't have anything that simplifies here, so the answer can just be left exactly like this. Number 3, we have two brackets. The brackets are 3x add 4 and x add 1. For the denominator, we have brackets x add 2 and x add 1. This time the x add 1s simplify, and our answer is 3x add 4 over x add 2. And there's working out, and there's the answers. Hope that helped you today with more difficult simplifying algebraic fractions. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you've bossed this topic. See you in the next one.